AS Iran launches attack on Israel. What is the axis of resistance? Iran has launched its first ever direct attack on Israel, in a move seen as retaliation for the strike, widely believed to be carried out by Israel, on the Iranian embassy in Damascus, Syria, which took place almost 2 weeks ago, killing 7 Iranian military officers. A breakout of a state against state war between Iran and Israel would further escalate the ongoing conflict in the Middle West, which began after Hamas, a Palestinian militant group, attacked Israel on October 7, 2023. Sources told CBS News that the retaliation could include attacks carried out both by Iranian forces and proxy groups around the region. These proxy groups include Hamas, Lebanon's Hezbollah, Yemen's Houthis, and the Islamic Resistance in Iraq. Together, they call themselves the Axis of Resistance. Notably, the Syrian government is also part of the coalition. Advertisement. Here is a look at the groups and why they describe themselves as the Axis of Resistance. The name. The roots of the name go back to 2002, when then US President George W. Bush warned about a new axis of evil, consisting of North Korea, Iran, and Iraq. His statement came just months after the 9/11 attacks. The terminology was widely criticized in the Arab and Iranian media, and they began using the phrase to describe the growing network of anti-American militias in the region, according to a report by The Economist. The groups Hezbollah, meaning Party of God, was set up by Iran's Revolutionary Guards in 1982 with the aim of fighting Israeli forces that had invaded Lebanon that year. Hezbollah is widely regarded as more powerful than the Lebanese state and shares Iran's Shiite Islamist ideology. Hezbollah has served as a model for other Tehran-backed groups across the region, some of which it has advised or trained. The United States and other governments, including US-allied Gulf Arab countries, have listed Hezbollah as a terrorist organization. The heavily armed Lebanese group has been mounting near-daily attacks on Israeli targets at the Lebanese